Getting your Payoneer verification rejected feels like hitting a brick wall when you were just trying to get paid for your hard work. It is annoying to see that red status message after waiting days for a review, but I am going to show you exactly how to fix those document errors right now so you can actually access your funds. Most people keep uploading the same blurry photos, expecting a different result, but there are three specific things the automated system looks for that you are probably missing. If you stick around until the end, I will share a specific trick regarding your bank statement that almost guarantees an instant approval on the next try. The reason your documents get rejected usually comes down to how the AI scanner reads your data. Think of it like a scanner at a grocery store that cannot read a wrinkled barcode. If there is even a tiny bit of glare from your camera flash on a laminated ID card, the system cannot verify your name or date of birth, so it just flags it as a fail. It is not that Payoneer does not want you on the platform, it is just that their security software is incredibly picky about image quality and data matching. To fix this, first you need to log into your account and head straight to the verification center to see which specific document failed. If it was your government ID, do not just take another photo on your desk. Instead, find a room with natural daylight, place your ID on a plain dark background, and take the photo from directly above without using a flash. Make sure all four corners of the ID card are visible in the frame. If even a tiny sliver of the edge is cut off, the system will reject it for being potentially altered. Next, make sure the name on your Payoneer profile matches your ID letter for letter. If your ID has a middle name but your profile does not, you need to contact support to update your profile first, or the document will never be accepted. Now, if the issue was your proof of residence, stop trying to use a cell phone bill. Payoneer almost always rejects those. You need to download an official PDF of a utility bill or a bank statement from the last 3 months. Do not take a photo of a printed paper. The original digital PDF is much easier for their system to read. Now for that pro tip I mentioned earlier to save you from more waiting. If your utility bills are not in your name, go to your online banking portal and change your mailing address to exactly what you told Payoneer. Then, generate a certificate of residency or a standard bank statement. Since this comes directly from a financial institution with a matching address and name, it bypasses many of the manual checks that slow down the process. Now that your account is getting sorted, you should check out how to link your local bank account properly to avoid high withdrawal fees.